Hello friends, hello everyone once again. Welcome to Backward channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be me and my tea. Keep you happy, keep you home safe and happy, and may you continue to enjoy like this. I mean, so friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing crochet stylish Christmas Santa Claus gifts, designs, ideas collection. Beautiful Santa, beautiful dresses, beautiful, amazing, colorful crochet Christmas Santa Claus gifts, designs, ideas collection for everyone. Designs, beautiful colors, very amazing, colorful crochet Santa Claus designs, ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you. Today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily. Inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashioning videos, and if you guys want, you can take a screenshot from my videos and share it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friend, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah.